In this video, I will show you how to increase a low-quality image into a high-quality image easily in 2024. Go to your browser and go to these link below in description. Download the software. I already download the software. Install the software. You can increase your photo resolution, frame interpolation, stabilization. I will try super resolution. See here my low resolution image. I want to increase the resolution of the image. Select the images. I want to increase 4x quality of my image. Click Run. It takes a few minutes to complete the process. Click Continue. See it's completed. See the before image resolution. See the after image resolution. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.